Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at Azure Bot Service. So the Azure Bot Service is an intelligent serverless bot service that scales on demand, used for creating, publishing, and managing bots. So you can register and publish a variety of bots from the Azure portal. So here there's a bunch of ones I've never heard of, probably with third-party providers partnered with Azure. And then there's the ones that we would know, like the Azure Health Bot, the Azure Bot, or the web app bot, which is more of a generic one. So Azure Bot Service, Bot Service can integrate your bot with other Azure, Microsoft, or third-party services via channels. So you can have a direct line out Alexa, Office 365, Facebook, Keek, Line, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Twilio, and more. All right. And two things that are commonly associated with the Azure Bot Service is the Bot Framework and Bot Composer. In fact, it was really hard just to make this slide here because they just weren't very descriptive on it because they wanted to push these other two things here. But let's talk about the Bot Framework SDK. So the Bot Framework SDK, which is now version 4, is an open source SDK that enables developers to model and build sophisticated conversations. The Bot Framework, along with the Azure Bot Service, provides an end-to-end workflow so we can design, build, test, publish, connect, and evaluate our bots. Okay, with this framework, developers can create bots that use speech, understand natural language, handle questions, answers, and more. The bot framework includes a modular extensible SDK for building bots, as well as tools, templates, and related AI services. Then you have Bot Framework Composer. And this is built on top of the Bot Framework SDK. It's an open source IDE for developers to author, test, provision, and manage conversational experiences. You can download it. It's an app on Windows OS X and Linux. It's probably built using web technology. And so here is the actual app there. And so you can see there's kind of a bit of a flow and things you can do in there. So you can either use C or Node to build your bot. You can deploy the bot to the Azure Web Apps or Azure Functions. You have templates to build Q&A, Maker Bot, Enterprise or Personal Assistant Bot, Language Bot, Calendar, or People Bot. You can test and debug via the Bot Framework emulator, and it has a built-in package manager. There's a lot more to these things, but again, at the AI 900, this is all we need to know. But yeah, there you go.